In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can edit passwords saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access Google. Then Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Finally, select any password to edit by clicking on it, enter your screen lock, hit Edit button and change wherever you want to. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!